over the top. And now I'm going to start blending in over my branch. So now I'm going to cover that. There's that one. Okay, 1, 2. I'm going to probably take this one over the top. Let's take you right in here. Okay, so I'm just kind of doing a little back and forth, like one way, one the other direction, bending my foliage. Like, where is the end of that? I've got a long piece, short piece. I'm actually going to take this, and if you have little pieces that fall off, so you can see how I'm blending that, but now I'm back to my long pieces again. So I'm going to come back over here, and I'm going to continue to fill. And I think the way that yours might be a success over all the other ones is when you don't get that natural break from the gravity inside, because yours is all just kind of following the form that we have going on here. And I'm going to bring this up right over here. The Pine Carol is from Amazon. Hobby Lobby had some, but now this is becoming its viral thing. So of course it's selling out now. So like all this garland that Hobby Lobby once carried is now all sold out. They don't have it anymore. And I doubt that they will get it in anytime before Christmas. Okay. There we go. This one should contain 2. It does, a short and a long. Okay. There we go. Waiting for them to separate. So I'm going up under some branches and over others. Trying to unwire some of my pieces. So we're going to bring that in. Let's get rid of these, that, all the brown paper. There's a shorty. This went over our big branch. I've got a short, here's a long one. Outside long. So again, redirect some of your pieces if you want them to come in. That's the only thing we will be able to do. Okay, I'm gonna go back up here. I'm gonna fix the last couple pieces. Put her up at the top to get rid of the rest of our branch. So this one went this way. So now I'm going to take this one and I'm going to overlap this way, turn that down, and then we went this way, so this one's going to come over here. So it's going to kind of create a part in that this is our section, and I've got those little itty bitty branches. So I've got a couple more pieces right up here at the beginning before my part is completely hidden.